Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on reducing the transparency on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Reducing transparency improves contrast and can make the watch screen easier to see and make writing more legible. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down Settings and select Accessibility. Scroll down the Accessibility settings and tap the toggle to the right of Reduce Transparency. When the toggle is green, Reduce Transparency is turned on. When grey, it is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.